All right, y'all. Yeah, I know who it is. Big Hemi Show underscore 314. The Big Hemi HEMI Show SHOW underscore 314. Back. Yeah, I know what it is. St. Louis. That's where I'm from. So, uh, yeah, I'm out here with the new Scat Pack, man. The 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. I got a little something else new in store for y'all. Uh, man, I'm already hitting y'all with the new, but I saved that for later. But yeah, I wanted y'all to hear how it sounded from when I got my straight piping done on it. So, 2020 Scat Pack, 2020 Scat Pack. Here we go. All right, I'm a little dirty. I've been sitting in the garage a couple days. It's been raining, man. So check this out. Kept the factory tips. They was pretty good. Might change them up though. But let's see how it sounds. Cold start. Yeah, buddy. I ain't started it in a few days, so sound a little louder than normal, but pop the hood for y'all. Let y'all see what's under the hood. That way we know ain't no faking. Ain't no faking. Still looking fresh under the. Starting to quiet down a little bit. Pop this for y'all. Get down here. We're gonna have. Let me get out of here. Alright. Okay. Yeah, y'all don't need to see what's over there yet. I'll unveil that later. Alright, here we go. Alright, man, ain't no faking. Here we go, y'all know what it is. If you don't, you will. Big boy 6.4, 392. Ooh, I got some plans for this here, so yeah, y'all gotta excuse me, I'm a little dirty out here. Probably like the first day we done had some good weather in a minute. Let's see. Oh yeah. Well, y'all know ain't no faking. No faking. We brand new out here 2020. Although, look at that. That's 6.4 boy right there. Alright. So I'm terrible with the camera right now, but man, we gonna get nice with it. 485 horsepower. I think we making, that's at the crank though. I think we making, I think you lose like 30%. So 30% of the power going down to the wheel. So it might be like 430, something like that. 430, maybe 435. Don't quote me on that. So, yep, man, I'm just giving y'all a view of it, man. And sound clip how it sound, man. hey, check this out. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna have to get this camera situation right because I ain't looking into the camera. So I'm pretty sure y'all gonna tell me about that later. But the Big Hemi Show _314. Yeah, we out of there.